Test 1 2. Check test, check test. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gods and goddesses, once again, it is Friday, November 5th. It's around 2 o'clock. My name is MC Medina. Welcome to Conscious Crypto, your source and your headquarters for the latest and the greatest and the newest in global decentralized finance news. That's global DeFi news coming at you for a straight hour from 2 to 3 o'clock. And man, the Cro Coin, y'all make some noise right now for crypto.com, making huge moves. Today, we're joined by Miss Gaia Lectra, and hopefully the bunnies will make an appearance later on. So you guys stick around for that. All right. If you are in the chats, put up the flame emojis as we light up some Palo Santo right now. I hope everything is going well in your crypto universe. Today, like any other day on Conscious Crypto, we're going to light up some Palo Santo and light up some sage. These are highly intentional plants, and we use these plants to help us in assisting us in utilizing one of the 12 universal laws, the law of attraction. And today, we're going to utilize the law of attraction and these sacred plants to continue to attract more financial literacy and ultimately more financial sovereignty. All right, guys. So that's what Conscious Crypto is all about, giving you the latest and the greatest developments in the global DeFi news so that way we can gain more financial literacy and ultimately more financial sovereignty. And it's a huge epic milestone that we crossed yesterday. Was our 25th episode. So we're really excited over here behind the scenes. Gaia Electra, put your thumbs up in the comments below. She's making sure that the mic is right, that the cameras are right. Oh man, and obviously we are good on Twitch. You can hear me quite well. All right, so I'm gonna hop into the chat here. Let's do this. Oh yeah. And we're going to get into some of the prices across the board. Considerable amount of gains. Experts saying that Bitcoin is still on an upward trajectory and there's still gains to be had. Having some issues with my mouse over here, but it's all good because I still got the tracking pad that we can use. Oh, excuse me. All right, the temperature is going down around here at the Casa de Prana TV studios. So soon you might be seeing me with some Divine Garments sweaters and some Divine Garments long sleeves. We're going to be working on some crypto influenced Divine Garments. That's the next line of Divine Garments is going to be influenced by some crypto. All right, let's get right into the numbers. Guy Electra, are you hanging out with us?
Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to Conscious Crypto. Yes, I am working on the numbers at this moment.
Fantastic. Yeah, I just refreshed my page here. And if you're holding the Cro token, you're doing good for yourself right now, guys. According to all the information that I've been uncovering recently, there is still a lot of games to be had with the SHIBs. So if you're part of the SHIB gang, put your little dog emoji in the comments below, please. All right, we got to make sure. Is your mic on over there on your side?
Now it is.
Fantastic.
All right.
All right, what do you have for us, Miss Gaia Electra?
Here we have the chart for today. Today, the cryptocurrency prices by market cap. That's what we have in Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin today with 61,160. And it looks like it's been up a little bit, about 32% in the last 24 hours. Then we have Ethereum with 4,490. And it looks like it's also been increasing in the last 24 hours, about 0.77%. And Binance, we have Binance with 610, the Binance coin, and it looks like it's been increasing as well.
Sweet.
It's looking pretty good. Bitcoin seems to be going down a little bit in overall price. Then we have Solana at 236 with a little bit of a downward on the last 24 hours, about 1.10%. We have Cardano at $1.99, $1.99, going up as well. Let me see. We have XRP with $1.16, going a little bit down on the last 24 hours. Then Polkadot with $51.59, going down in the past 24 hours, 3%. Dogecoin going up, actually. I'm sure the Burger King coins are helping.
Yeah. I mean, I got 3 so far.
Yes. That's what we got. We got so far. Oh, Shiba Inu. Yes, Shiba Inu is going up about 17%. And then we have Terra Luna with $49.91, going down in the last 24 hours, 0.37%. And we have Avalanche going down as well, $75.43. Uniswap with $25.75. And that looks like it's been going up in the last 24 hours. And then we have some of the trending coins over here and the biggest gainers.
We have some what?
The trending coins and the gainers.
Oh yeah, I think it'd be cool to mention what the top 10 trending coins are, just to kind of put it on people's radar of different developments that are coming up.
Here we go. There you have them. Can you see them on your side?
Yes, actually, let me go there now.
We have micro.
Oh, there's the bunnies. Let's go. Yeah, micro pets. We've got at a positive 62.44% gain, and their market cap is $28,143,000. Then we got Shibazilla is up 63%, so that's even more, and that's a lot of zeros. And then 3117 is a price. Baby DeFi Doge Moon. Then we've got Bitrise, Mars Rise, Sakura Nico, Mini Floki Ada, Baby SHIB, and then number 10, Cumstar, which apparently that is an adult industry coin.
Of course.
Where they're going to be doing decentralized adult content, where the content creators, according to what I read, are going to be paid with crypto, and also without the risk of their content being taken down as a decentralized platform. So interesting developments in
Wow.
every industry, including the adult entertainment industry. Pretty funny stuff. But more importantly, the price of sand right now going down a little bit. If you ever had the intention of hopping into the sandbox or purchasing sand, I highly recommend considering right now as a good time. Um, because there is a dip and there's so much more to sandbox than what they have right now. There's still going to be more developments, and the whole DeFi concept of sandbox is really what's going to win. And we've got a bunny here about to make an entrance, and we've got Moni Prana from the Casa de Prana coming in and hanging out with us. Huh?
Like that.
You have to grab it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grab it like that. Yeah.
Okay.
And put your hands here.
Put your hands here. Got it.
There.
Hello, little furry little bunny.
What
We've
are
been
you
waiting.
doing?
We've been waiting on this little guy. We don't even know if this guy has a name, but so this is Crypto Bunny.
I thought it was
here,
Junior.
we're gonna get him closer to the camera. See, guys, he's the cutest. Well, there's like 3 here at Casa de Prana,
Don't
and
let him
they're
jump
all
out.
crypto bunnies. Okay, we feed these guys with the gains that we make on crypto, so that's why we call them crypto bunnies. Thank you
So
for coming
cute.
He's so calm. His nose is moving. And you know what he smells? This guy's smelling a whole bunch of crypto gains over the weekend, guys. This is the time to take all the money out of the bank, put it into crypto, diversify your portfolio. Right? I recommend maybe 10 coins. And out of those 10 coins, maybe 2 coins that are perhaps more risky. So that perhaps has more gain opportunity, but new projects, that's what we want. And this guy is so calm, he's so collected, he's so cool, and that's what he's reminding us. We need to stay calm, cool, and collected while we trade our cryptos. So y'all leave a thumbs up for the Crypto Bunny. If you have any creative names, please leave them in the comments below. We need to know that. All right, and then put your hands together once again for our goddess Moni Prana helping out behind the scenes. Oh yeah, he is so calm and so furry. All right, thank you, Moni. So we're allowing the rabbits to again remind us to stay calm, cool, and connected over the weekend. Definitely expect some gains across the board though, because November and December are always big gain months, and November 5th. It has always been, it's sort of become a tradition that the 5th of November, we will always remember forever. The 5th of November is something like that. Have you heard of that, Guy Electra?
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, so
But it rhymes.
the V for Vendetta movie, this is where the Anonymous group got that mask from that they used, was from the V for Vendetta movie. And in that movie, the main character, I don't remember his name, but the main dude that would wear the mask, he said, remember the 5th of November. And so for some reason in the crypto community, it seems like it's been adopted. And so expect gains across the board, not only with micro pets, Shibzilla, Baby, DeFido, Doge Moon, and all the other gainers. Expect some gains across the board, okay? Throw in now, and by Monday, you'll see the gains.
Yeah, what's up with crypto.com? Like, it seems like
What do you mean?
there's a lot of winnings with them right now with the Cro.
Yeah, the Cro Coin. Guys, if you haven't already tapped into the Cro Coin and crypto.com as a platform, it's a centralized platform that does connect. It does have KYC, so you got to upload all of your identification and I think even your social security number. It connects to your bank account, so it makes it a lot easier to buy crypto. And the Cro Coin is the main coin that crypto.com is using as a governance token. And they offer a card like a Visa. I can't remember. Is it a Visa or a MasterCard? I think it's a Visa.
I think this is a Visa.
But whatever it is, they offer cards and there's different levels. We actually covered it on one of the earlier episodes. I can't remember. I think it's either episode 1 or 2 of Conscious Crypto. So go back to that and where we talk about the crypto.com card because there's different levels. Excuse me. I just got done eating a bowl of organic, non-GMO cinnamon toast crunch, and yes, it still tastes good even as it's coming up, guys. Let's see the latest and the greatest developments. This story came in 52 minutes ago, and this is where we're headed globally as the human race when it comes to the new financial system. This is finance redefined. Avalanche launches a $200 million fund with WXRP, which is wrapped XRP. We'll get into that later, to debut on Ethereum October 29th through November 5th. Now, before we get into that story, I got to remind you guys about one of our sponsors, and that's Boss and Bougie. Now, you can get this soap bar right here, 100% non-toxic. All you got to do is add warm water onto the Yoni bar, and then you'll be good to clean yourself out there. Okay. Now, listen, this is women's product line. So if you have a girlfriend, if you have a wife, your mother, your daughter, women's products for very good price, all non-toxic stuff, just go to boss-bougie.com. Okay, BOSS horizontal slash BOUGIE.com. Okay, get your loved one something that makes them smell good. All right, let's get back into finance redefined. The Avalanche Foundation showcases a 6-figure ecosystem fund. WXRP is set to launch smart contracts on Ethereum, and Alliance Block joins forces with Flare, all coming to you in this week's Finance Redefined. Let's find out some more here. So the latest edition of the Decentralized Finance here newsletter. For many years, Ethereum and XRP held the second and third ranking spots in the crypto market. We're going to go on to discover how the WXRP will integrate into Ethereum to expand its utility to smart contracts. What we're about to cover right now and deliver to you is the smaller version of the whole newsletter. So for the full breakdown, you've got to subscribe to the newsletter on Cointelegraph. Avalanche launched $2 million fund to incentivize developers. The Avalanche Foundation unveiled a new $200 million fund this week aimed at expanding the liquidity potential of startup projects, with its ecosystem building decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, enterprise, and cultural applications. According to the financial blog post, the smart contracts platform will deploy the funds across a panoply of sectors, including equity investments, token purchases, various forms of technology, business development, and ecosystem integration support, all of which will be overseen by an expert field of fund managers. The fund, known as Blizzard, has been contributed to by an impressive list of participants from the DeFi space, including Ava Labs, Polychain Capital, Three Arrows Capital, Dragonfly Capital, and CMS Holding, among others. Emin Gun Serrer, director of the Avalanche Foundation, shared his perspective on the recent growth of the project as well as the potential implications for Blizzard, saying the last 2 months have shown incredible growth across Avalanche, with users, assets, and applications joining the community in record highs. Blizzard will play a key role in further accelerating this growth and solidifying Avalanche's position as the premier home for projects and people pioneering the next era in our space. So Avalanche really going above and beyond to develop a platform that's not only relevant today, but is going to stay relevant in the future as we get deeper and deeper into this thing that we call decentralized finance. WXRP is going to launch on the Ethereum blockchain. Wrapped XRP is expected to launch on the Ethereum blockchain next month in December, facilitated by multi-chain platform Wrapped.com. The integration will enable Ripple XRP holders to deploy smart contract functionalities of lending, borrowing, and swapping for the first time in its history. So this is a milestone. Wrapped tokens, I know you're probably wondering, what are wrapped tokens? So these wrapped tokens are digital assets that are stored in a vault on a separate blockchain, and they're equally pegged to the value of other assets. For instance, wrapped Bitcoin operates on Ethereum blockchain. Therefore, WXRP will have a 1-to-1 exchange ratio to XRP, with the custody provided by insured provider Hex Trust. In a tweet on Monday earlier this week, Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz advocated for a multi-chain interoperable approach in the crypto space, tweeting, "Wrapped XRP is coming to Ethereum!" Exclamation point. Good news for those that want to access XRP within Ethereum wallets, DeFi, and smart contracts. It's a multi-chain after all. So huge moves happening right now. For the wrapped XRP coin, which is going to maintain the same value as a regular XRP coin. The Alliance block partner with Flare to advance DeFi. Blockchain firm Alliance Block has announced a partnership with the Flare network this week to advance the capabilities and interoperability of the two platforms within the DeFi space. The long-awaited launch of the Flare network and its corresponding FXRP token airdrop is expected to bring Turing-tested smart contracts functionality to the Ripple network by integrating the Ethereum virtual machine. Commencing with XRP, due to its partnership connection to Ripple, the platform will also offer Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Algorand, and Stellar Lumens before reportedly branching out to all native layer 1 blockchains. Rashid Ajaja, the co-founder and CEO of Alliance Block, spoke to Cointelegraph about the regulatory potential of the platform, saying, "With increased interest from traditional finance in decentralized finance, Alliance Block's regulatory and compliance layer will allow traditional institutions to access opportunities in DeFi in a variety of ways, such as creating compliant tradable certificate wraps out of liquidity mining tokens, yield farming, or NFTs. The token performance's analytical data is revealing that the DeFi's total value locked has increased 4.62% across the week to a figure of $167.42 billion. So a huge move in the decentralized finance sector. Data coming in is showing that the DeFi's top 100 tokens by market capitalization considerably well across the last 7 days. Phoenix Global secured the podium's top spot with a colossal 3,230%. Loopring came in second with 118.5, while Basic Attention Token came in third with a 30.94. Fourth and fifth places were claimed by Avalanche, and Maker. Put a thumbs up if you have the PHB coin, the LRC coin, the BAT coin, which we mentioned earlier. I think it was last week we were mentioning how the Basic Attention Token is going to be a huge asset in the future of decentralized web browsing. Put a thumbs up if you have AVAX, AVAX, and put a thumbs up if you have MKR, the Maker coin, because you are experiencing some epic growth opportunities. Analysis and hot topics from the last week. Let's see. The Cointelegraph Consulting recounting 2021's biggest DeFi hacking incidents. Let's see. What else do we have? The Avalanche Foundation got it going on. Yes, they do. Got the chat popping off. Let's see what else we can bring to you, beautiful boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Altcoins surge even as Bitcoin and Ethereum price fall towards key support levels. We've got Jack in the Box claims in court FTX that the US ripped off its character to create Moon Man. Oh man, the Solana Decentralized exchange. This is what we want to get into, the really juicy stuff. All right, this is exclusive conscious crypto content right here because we like to focus on global decentralized finance news. So Solana DEX, which is a decentralized exchange, positioned as third generation exchange aimed to solve issues around the old blockchain infrastructure. Now, if you're just getting into crypto and you're just now getting into Bitcoin and you're just now learning about blockchain, good for you. Celebration time. Let's go. Now, there has been quite a bit of action already in the crypto world, and so what we're seeing here is Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency blockchain, right? Soon thereafter came Ethereum. After that, a number of different blockchains started popping up. What we're seeing is we're going to have a blockchain rebuild, or what is it called whenever you it's a rehaul. That's what it is. We got to do a rehaul on the blockchains because some of the blockchains are considerably more efficient than others, which is what we're seeing with Avalanche, Solana. So let's learn some more about what the Soldex is. Looks like it's Solana's decentralized exchange, Soldex. Now, before we get into that, got to tell you about Casa de Prana Cacao. I told you about it yesterday. I told you about it the day before and the day before that, but I got to tell you again, Casa de Prana Cacao is coming from El Salvador. And if you don't know what cacao is or what it does, let me tell you a little bit about what WebMD has to say about cacao. Originally domesticated in South America about 5,000 years ago, cacao trees can now be found in the equatorial regions around the world. Cacao beans develop flavor and texture through a fermentation process before heading for processing into either cacao or cocoa powder. Now, this is cacao powder, so you still have all of the vitamins and minerals that cacao is known for having. The fiber in cacao promotes healthy digestion, can reduce the risk and symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive problems. It's great for lowering blood pressure. Packed with flavonoids, these nutrients that have been shown to help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow to the brain and heart, and aid in preventing blood clots. So reduce your risk of diabetes, reduce your risk of heart disease, reduce inflammation, and iron, protein, magnesium, potassium, fiber, zinc, manganese, all in cacao powder. So leave comments below. We'll send you some so that way you can taste it and definitely have the opportunity to tap into what they're calling food of the gods. Okay, the Soldex, Solana, concerns with order matching and trustless custody are addressed with a third generation decentralized exchange project based on Solana. The Avalanche Foundation. Okay, let's see. The increased popularity of Ethereum has proven to be a double-edged sword. Its use has positioned the technology as valuable and great in potential, although also triggering increased congestion, making transactions slow and expensive. As a result, new blockchains have emerged as a way to decrease costs common to the industry. One of these is Solana, which is something that we talk about here on the program a whole bunch. We're holding Solana. That's part of our wallet here at Conscious Crypto and Casa de Prana as well. So Solana is an exchange developed to transact at speeds greater than 50,000 transactions per second for less than 3 zeros and 1 per transaction, which is a significant improvement from what users have noticed on Ethereum. That said, concerns around the use of old blockchain infrastructure extend one level lower onto decentralized exchanges. Although a generalization is not uncommon to come face to face with exchanges suffering from low liquidity levels, insufficient volume, and an overall poor user experience. Further, many users noticed that a secondary concern that most exchanges rely solely on users manually executing their trades. Although some projects have partially addressed these concerns by allowing users to search for the best trades available, they have yet to be integrated into a decentralized exchange or known as a DEX. To evolve with rising user expectations, the Solana Decentralized Exchange, or Soldex, is creating a third generation cryptocurrency exchange built on the Solana blockchain. The third generation exchanges look to solve concerns with order matching on centralized exchanges and trustless custody on decentralized exchanges. Therefore, the platform is aiming to provide many advantages over other decentralized exchanges by powering a new wave of flexible financial markets as foundational layer for market making, custody, settlement, and liquidity. A next generation decentralized exchange. Proposing a third generation exchange, Soldex aims to address common user concerns with features for automated trading, faster transaction times, optimized user friendliness, and anonymity. And I always have issues with this word. Anyhow, automated trading allows users to trade on all market conditions 24/7 without risk of human error. These abilities, deployed by Soldex, will leverage machine learning and neural network algorithms to allow traders to determine which bots they want to use with criteria such as risk tolerance, budget, time frame, margin, and just about anything else that the user decides. As a secondary step, Soldex will also offer educational tools to each user how to create their own AI powered trading bots or artificial intelligence trading bots. Therefore, a once unattainable tool exclusively in the hands of experts will now be available to everyday traders. And this is where the gold is, brothers and sisters. Additionally, compared to other DEXs, the Soldex offers transaction time and cost advantages due to its backing on the Solana blockchain. Again, the Solana blockchain is faster, it's more efficient, and it can handle more transactions per second. Therefore, unlike some of the older systems in place, Ethereum, it will have none of the typically experienced infrastructure issues. Now, the Soldex team has also learned from previous exchanges, creating something optimized for user friendliness and easy navigation. That's important. With Soldex, we're going to be able to gain access to real-time transactions, convenient deposits through exchange wallets, accelerated swaps, and incentivized liquidity, which is going to ensure the funds that can be locked for a certain period of time while they earn interest on the investment, whether you're staking or putting it in a pool or a farm. Moreover, Soldex is going to operate in a completely permissionless manner. So anyone And everyone can engage in transactions without the KYC requirement or the know your customer requirement. Many cryptocurrency enthusiasts have expressed concerns about handing their details to someone, fears that have now become virtually eliminated because of the secure blockchain that Solana has to offer. The platform itself will be maintained with its native token, SolX. With the SolX currency, users gain governance rights and other advantages, such as staking for profit. To participate in this project, the SolX team is currently conducting a private sale offering SolX tokens to retail investors. Developments that keep pace. Currently, round one of the SolX private sale was completely sold out to VC funds like CSP DAO and angel investors like Evan Luthra. A lot of excitement has stemmed from true Solana believers to be part of one of the most known Solana projects of Q4 2021. Users can still participate by sending an email to the platform directly. In addition to the private sale, the team shares excitement and plans for the next year, including listings on major exchanges, the MVP launch of their decentralized exchange, a collaboration with the Solana Foundation, and a prototype beta launch for their AI functionality. With a well developed roadmap ahead, the team has positioned themselves to maintain their vision to evolve in keeping pace with the ongoing development of the DeFi crypto market. Again, we do not have any financial advice on this platform, and anything that we say here should be taken as a grain of salt. Please do your own research. We are not financial advisors here on Conscious Crypto. And Miss Guy Electra, what else do you have for us over there on your side? How excited are you about this Solana decentralized exchange, though?
It seems like we're gonna be looking at faster transactions, so I'm excited. There's like we're always like trying to look for a way to find an exchange that gives you like lower rates, or you don't have to wait hours or be pending or be dependent on the mining fees and the lag. So it looks like we're moving at a pretty quantum speed here with it says Solex. That's the name of it.
Yeah, it's called Sol Dex.
Sol Dex. Okay.
Yeah, Sol for Solana and then Dex for decentralized exchange.
Yeah, that's exciting. I was just kind of reading a little bit about Shiba Inu at the moment, how they're saying that there was like a big there's wallets that haven't been used for many many years, so they're calling it whale pools or something like that.
Yeah.
And then that is actually what's triggering the price at the moment. So it's just wallets that have a massive amount of Shiba Inu and they're barely being activated at the moment, and so that tends to rock the market up or down. We're just waiting and getting a feeling for it, but I still feel it's a great time to buy Shiba Inu and even make it a coin, like one of the main coins that you would like to invest and put a large amount of money in there. I totally recommend that for sure. I actually got some today from that Webull.
What did you get?
Some Shiba Inu.
Oh, really?
The Webull application that you sent me.
Yeah. We're going to leave links too, guys. Listen, we got so many links in the description. If you want some free shit. No, I'm just kidding. It's not free shit. It's not shit at all. It's actually free crypto. Look, if you want some free money.
We don't have the SHIB coin yet.
We got all types of links in the description. Do not hesitate. Ask us any. Okay, there we go. We're back. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, okay, yeah, we're back. We're back. What was I saying? Oh yeah, if you that was probably funny. I was doing all this stuff. And no sound. So if you are brand new to the crypto space, if you want some free, I'm saying free money because that's essentially what it is. We got free stocks waiting on you in the description below. We got free crypto waiting on you in the description below. We've got $10 discounts, 15% discounts. I mean, this stuff is incredible. The rate of growth that we're experiencing with the adoption these days is absolutely epic.
Yeah, I just got a free stock already from just signing up, opening an account. They're giving another free stock when you deposit any kind of money, and then after that you activate your crypto because you're able to do crypto in Webull as well. And they also let you transfer any other stocks that you have either with other companies like Robinhood or over another stock company. They let you transfer that into the Webull application.
Oh yeah, if you have like $2,000 worth of stock, you can move it over, and then they give you $75 incentive.
They do. I saw that. And then there's so many opportunities to actually win with them as well. They're also giving $5 in Shiba Inu.
Oh, when you refer 3 people, you get the Apple stock. It's worth like $150. That was free, and I'm waiting on that to drop in. Now, one issue that I will say about Webull is that the money transfers are slow. I'm talking about days. Like
I noticed that.
I'm like, what in the world is going on
But
here?
everything is available. I mean, it says like it's pending and it's going through, but everything is available like right there in the moment. So
Yeah, I mean, and I have emails that say, "Oh yes, like everything is good. We're working on what you did, whether it's referrals or." So what I did is they said deposit any amount and then you get 4 free stocks. So the first amount that I deposited was $25. The second amount that I deposited was $5, and it's saying that it's not going to show it won't reflect in the account
until forever.
like 5 days later.
Yeah, I saw that. Yes, I want to remind you guys that we are here in Casa de Prana and to leave your comments on the chat. We're here live with MC Medina as he is the main host for Conscious Crypto. And I'm Gaia Electra, and I'm just here for the ride and taking care of all the back end stuff. And that we do have some referral links for those who are looking to get into the crypto world. And we also work on a lot of our own strategies to be able to diversify our portfolio, and we're helping people from zero all the way up to for them to get their wallet and to diversify their portfolio and to start seeing some gains. And you don't need any money to start up with. You can actually start with free coins, free money already that is there, created from the ethers. For you to start practicing, because it is super important at this moment. I'm sure you guys have seen how on the news there's a lot of news for the crypto market at the moment, so it's a great time to start educating yourself. And some of the things could be a little bit overwhelming for some people, so just reach out, find help. There's a way for your money to start growing now instead of just having it in the bank doing nothing. Okay, you can start staking your crypto, and I mean get interest back on it. There's so many things you could do. You could do liquidation pools. You can use it to just buy your daily things. You're getting like I'm making sure that my money is getting interest back even if it's sitting in an account. Okay, and there's so much opportunities at the moment I mean, you see it, companies are giving free crypto. Companies are getting, Burger King is doing it. Weeble is doing it. Who else is giving free crypto?
We've got crypto.com.
Crypto.com is doing it. Coinbase is doing it. So yeah, there's so many resources for you to, you know, take advantage of this opportunity. Make a choice, you know, to educate yourself or to get the help that you need so you can keep growing your finances. Here in Casa de Prana, we do the best to be a whole entity. Not only we like to take care of our bodies, and help others with it as well, our emotions, you know, our mental, of health, and our energetics, our spiritual energy, and as well as our financial, right, body, because our abundance, because that makes a whole being, complete, and in that way the human being can thrive. The human divine being can thrive is aligning those bodies. And so, that's why it's important, and that's why we talk about this crypto, you know, market, and how it's we're adopting it at the moment. So I hope all this advice really helps. We are really looking at the moment as well to gain, to set some goals for some subscriptions. So if you guys can subscribe to the channel, that really helps. If you guys like to make a donation for this, so we can keep delivering this information to you guys, um, please donate to MC Medina. And let me, so consider donating with Venmo or Cash App, or let us know. We can also provide maybe like a crypto wallet. We will definitely.
I have actually in the description, there's a crypto wallet address. It's
Okay,
already, yeah. If you
perfect.
scroll down to the description all the way to the bottom, there's going to be a list of different donation platforms that are ready to receive all the abundance one would have sitting in their bank accounts or what have you.
Yes, we deeply appreciate it. We're doing the best to be with you guys on the weekdays here at 2 p.m. So, don't forget to subscribe, refer your friends. Some of the platforms that we're live streaming to is, I believe, is YouTube.
Yeah, we're
Link.
on YouTube Live and on Twitch. Now, for some reason, I'm checking out my Facebook, and we're supposed to be doing it on Facebook too, but um, I don't understand why it's not going through.
As you guys can see, is live streaming, guys. So it's, you know, sometimes it might not even show up in one of the platforms, but yeah. So YouTube, LinkedIn,
Yep, and Facebook.
and Facebook, and Twitch. So if you guys can help us with the Twitch, if you don't have a Twitch account, it's a great platform. Even if you're looking to even do your own live streams, it's very easy, and you can start your live streaming on the same day, within, minutes. And so yeah, so we are looking for a lot more subscribers in that platform as well, so please share with your friends.
Yes, please share with all of your friends. We need you to do that. Now, the next segment is brought to you by Divine Garments, a clothing entity that's revolutionary, environmentally conscious, and enlightened. Also, keen on representing the spiritual approach to sustainable fashion while bringing humanity together. The intention of sourcing only the most eco friendly fabrics from all over the world inspires a progressive, romantic, and a contemporary look known for premium, high end quality and undivided attention to detail. Now, because Divine Garments manifests at the pinnacle of humanity's existence, ancient Asanoha patterns, sacred geometry, and other esoteric symbolism deeply inspire every single design. Now, if you go to lovemedina.com, you're going to get 20% off anything Divine Garments by using the discount code crypto 20. All right. CRYPTO. That's in all capital letters. The number 2, the number 0. Crypto 20% off of anything Divine Garments. Just go to lovemedina.com and check it out. I want to know what your thoughts are, anyways. All right. Mostly, I say 90% of everything on there, excluding the duffel bag, the men's boxer briefs, and the women's swimsuit bikini. Excluding those, pretty much everything else is made out of 100% organic cotton using self-sustainable resources and fair trade business practices. So we are in full alignment with the agenda of planetary ascension, and a lot of that has to do with showing love to one another and Mother Earth. So go to lovemedina.com, use crypto20 and get 20% off. Beautiful people, brothers and sisters, gods and goddesses. Let's go back into the story that I wanted to share with you. Looks like if you are looking for employment opportunities, a new study reveals which U.S. cities lead in the crypto hiring in 2021. LinkedIn data is coming in, and it's showing that while major cities lead the crypto-related hires, half of the jobs in the U.S. are dispersed around the country. So this is coming from the Human Resources Department of the crypto universe. Metropolises have led the crypto-related hires in the United States in 2021, but jobs in the space are well dispersed around the country. LinkedIn data revealed. A new study conducted by LinkedIn for Bloomberg shows that there is not a single hub for crypto or blockchain specialists in the United States. Searching through the LinkedIn members in the US who listed a new job in the first 9 months of the year that matched keywords crypto, blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solidity, unveiled that about 53% of crypto jobs are dispersed across the country in small chunks. As crypto and blockchain stand at the intersection of finance and technology, known as FinTech, traditional finance hub New York and tech hub San Francisco unsurprisingly led the pack. Los Angeles ranked in third place, followed by Miami and Chicago. So we've got New York, San Fran, Los Angeles, Miami, and Chicago. Diogo Monica, co-founder of crypto technology services company Anchorage Digital, highlighted that decentralized organizational infrastructures are driving a remote workforce, especially among crypto companies. Quote, this means that cities and states with lower taxes, great infrastructure, and quick access to an international airport will benefit from fully remote work, he added. When adjusted for population, the crypto industry's impact on mid-sized metropolitan areas becomes clearer. For every 100,000 LinkedIn members, at least 2 people were hired for said crypto jobs in Austin, Denver, Raleigh, and Salt Lake City. For example, New York leads the hires with an 18.3% market share, but it hired an average of 2.8 people for every 100,000 LinkedIn members, while in Austin, Texas, 3 people have been hired for the same scale, even though the city has a 2% share. In related news, a survey finds that lower paid workers are quitting jobs thanks to their crypto gains. U.S. cities are also trying their best to attract the crypto industry. Newly elected New York City Mayor Eric Adams shared his plans to make the city the center of the cryptocurrency industry. He also followed Miami Mayor Francis Suarez's example, we covered this yesterday, by stating that he will take his first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin. That's awesome news. A play-to-earn blockchain envisions a revolutionary token economy through the perfect combination of DeFi and NFTs. All right, let's see what else we have for you, beautiful people, brothers and sisters. We're getting close to the end of the program today. Friday, November 5th. Remember, the 5th of November. Keep your hopes high for this weekend, brothers and sisters, because I just have this thing inside of me that wants to share and let you guys know that all is well in crypto universe because gains are still to be had. What else do we have here? The stablecoin, Scourge, beta shares. MetaMask founder Joel Dietz is a true Renaissance man. How many of us are using MetaMask? Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up air. If you're using that, leave the hands up emojis if you are using MetaMask now. And tell me, how do you like MetaMask? Because I just started dipping into it yesterday. Solana Ventures, Lightspeed Venture Partners, and FTX launch $100 million gaming fund. MetaMask integrates with Bitfinex Pay amid growing demand for crypto payments. MetaMask is doing some big things. American grocer Kroger says Bitcoin Cash press release was fraudulent. Interesting. New study reveals which U.S. city. Raul Paul expect the path of most pain around December, he says. Interesting. Raul Paul, one of the biggest advocates in the crypto space, multi-million-dollar investor who took all of his money out of the traditional banking system, and it's 100% in crypto, he says. So Raul Paul, highly recommend you learn more about him if you haven't already heard about him. New York Mayor-elect Eric Adams will take his first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin. Square's Cash App Bitcoin profits all fall 23%. Will opening it to teenagers help? Ooh. I did notice that there was a notification that I got on Cash App that said something like, it's just a notification saying that people under 18 are going to be able to use Cash App, I think it was. Yeah. That's what it was. People under 18 are going to be able to use Cash App as long as they have the permission of their legal guardian or parent. So that is going to be epic gains for a lot of people. Guys, share your Cash App referral link with your friends. If you have Cash App, share it. I shared it yesterday with a buddy of mine, Greg, who just now hopped on to the crypto scene. So congratulations to you, Greg. You're doing big things with yourself and whoever's money that you might be managing, if you're managing someone else's money. My point is, Cash App, when you share this app with your friends, they automatically put $30 in your account. So that's free money right there for you. Go into the description below, use my referral link for Cash App right now so you can start making $30 every single time you refer somebody, guys, and take that money on Cash App that they put on there and buy Bitcoin, because you can buy. Cash App was one of the first, Square was one of the first to allow its users to dabble in Bitcoin. So because of that, big ups to Cash App, big love to Square. Download the Cash App referral. Tap on the Cash App referral link below so you can download the app and get yourself some free money, guys. What else do we have? Looks like we're getting into some of the stories from yesterday. So I want, I don't know what you guys want to. Let me know what you guys want in the chats. But until then, this story is about Joel Dietz, who's the founder of MetaMask. And they're saying that he is a true Renaissance man. He says, I am also happy being a little bit dark too. Like when I was building MetaMask, we didn't need to be in the public eye, he says. Joel Dietz, the founder of MetaMask and founding team member of Ethereum, is a romantic at heart. He creates art as Crypto Apollo that reflects the intersection between traditional art and technology. Quote, I have a very classical romantic temperament, which can be hard to bring into the modern world since romantically inclined people can be suppressed in the modern economy. But I also love the cutting edge of technology as it applies to art and architecture and sculpture, explains Dietz. And like any technological enthusiast, I always try and explore the latest tech, such as VR. Mostly my art is digital, although I have played around with physical pieces, he declares. He is a polymath and a Renaissance man whose passions include the arts, poetry, and cryptography. He wears his heart on his sleeve, gets bored easily, and is constantly learning. That sounds like some of us around here. Kindergarten programmer. When he first attended kindergarten as a child, Dietz immediately informed his mother that he wanted to be in homeschool instead. She agreed, and this decision was quickly vindicated. So, more information about this Renaissance man. Looks like they were at Burning Man 2019 with a video mapping Myth of Gods. Um, what other stories can we? The AI Summit series is coming in. I think there's a crypto summit in Vegas this weekend. So if you guys have an opportunity to shoot out to Vegas, um, actually, I wanted to give my buddy a call. He's in Vegas now. All right. Any other stories that we want to cover before we go? Bitcoin only needs to break $64,000 to run all-time highs. Now, this is coming from William Suberg, and this information came in 7 hours ago. The crunch point for Bitcoin bulls is closer than you might think, argues Michael Van de Pope. Bitcoin stayed range bound on November 5th as fresh analysis argued that breaking the $64,000 mark would produce a new all-time high. So near yet so far for Bitcoin price all-time high. The data coming in is showing us that the Bitcoin to US dollar drawing little attention as it's tracked sideways around 61,000. After multiple days of such moves, the focus from analysts remained firmly on altcoins as multiple tokens continued to rally to fresh record highs. For the contributor Michael Van de Pope, however, it would take surprisingly little for Bitcoin price action itself to flip bullish. In his latest YouTube update on the day, Van de Pope argued that 64,000 would provide a springboard for bulls should the Bitcoin to US dollar break through it convincingly. The level has held as resistance through the week, surviving multiple breakout attempts. Quote, we're still chopping between 58,000 and 64,000. And that 64,000 area here is the crucial area that we should be breaking through if we want to get to new all-time highs, is what he summarized. He added that should such an event take place, and the next resistance zone would not hit until Bitcoin cleared $72,000. So gains to be had, guys, at 72,000. If it reaches that $70,000 to $72,000 mark, it could be a good idea to consider selling a percentage of your Bitcoin. November was already expected to be a month of extremes, including a return to the mid $50,000 zone before ending on a high that could top $98,000. For Van de Pope, however, the likelihood of $98,000 being a worst case scenario monthly close now looked unlikely. Quote, I think it's going to be quite hard to get to that level. And I think we might be realizing ourselves that the cycle might take longer than the previous 4-year halving cycles, is what he said. Now, January 2022 comes into play for a cycle top. A survey by Plan B, responsible for the minimum monthly close series, meanwhile revealed that the majority of respondents believe that $288,000 will hit before the start of 2022, guys. What do you think about that, Gaia?
Great news.
He's saying Plan B saying that 288,000 before the start of 2022. In the tweet, he said, "Do you think Bitcoin will reach 500K, 288K, 100K, or will Bitcoin stay below 100K by Christmas?" Looks like most of the votes are saying 288,000 on this tweet. While perhaps hard to imagine at current prices, this ties in with multiple observations, which place 2021 entirely in line with previous bull runs, years 2013 and 2017. So we got 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's the 4-year cycle. We got 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 is a 4-year cycle. So, guys, what we're seeing here is people are not just taking shots in the dark. This is like legit professional analysis by like master line graph ninjas, guys. It's not random. So, as such, in order of magnitude to increase for this 4-year cycle's top cannot be ruled out, market participants argue. Now, mid-December to end of January, still my highest probability window. Popular Twitter account Tech Dev, well known for such comparisons, wrote today. So bet on the story that the cycle tells you until it tells you a different one. Tech Dev previously described a cycle top of 300,000 as, quote, programmed. Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for hanging in there with us. This is Conscious Crypto.
Wait.
My name is MC Medina. Guy Electro, you still got something?
Yeah, I was trying to kind of like go over what you just said. Is that the halving cycle, what they call the half?
The halving cycle? No.
Okay.
Well, there's no mention about the halving cycle on this particular story.
Yeah.
The first initial halving that Bitcoin had, I don't know if you remember this, when Bitcoin first came out, and then Bitcoin Cash came out right after. Do you remember that? And they were, and actually, I remember having Coinbase back then. And if you had Bitcoin at the time of the split or the half, they gave you that same amount in Bitcoin Cash.
Okay.
So whatever you had in Bitcoin, they matched it in Bitcoin Cash, which back then was super epic. I didn't understand everything and how it worked back then, but I was definitely excited to see that my portfolio had doubled.
Nice. Yeah, it was Bitcoin, Litecoin first, and Ethereum.
Yeah.
And then Bitcoin Cash came in. I remember that too. I think I've never had Bitcoin Cash. I think you just gave me some, right, the other day. We were trading when you decided to put all your gains into Shiba.
Yeah, I decided to go all in on SHIB, guys. It's not something that I will normally recommend, considering some of like I don't know what to call it.
I would
FUD.
recommend it.
I don't even know what FUD means. I think it means fucked up dialogue. I don't know if that's really true, but it's something like that. There is a considerable amount of FUD around Shiba Inu. A lot of the more experienced traders don't exactly they're not SHIB advocates. They like to stick to more traditional coins. But the thing is that I like SHIB because it has a development team. It was above Dogecoin on the top 10 coins for weeks, if not days. And so because of the application that Shiba Inu has compared to these other meme coins, that's sort of what I'm banking on when it comes to that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I even heard people doing instead of having everything on Shiba, trading Shiba for baby Shiba.
Yeah, do you want to? We haven't said anything, told our people anything about the Saitama or the Mononoke. We haven't mentioned anything like that.
Yeah.
How are you and where are you on that? Can you share with us?
I'm still looking for ways to get Saitama. It's like if you think of Shiba Inu before it started, it's Saitama is also a dog. It's kind of like a wolf coin.
Right.
The coin, the wolf meme. And there is Saitama and there's baby Saitama, which I haven't really gotten into. But you have to get these coins in a decentralized platform, like Uniswap. And so at the moment, I was able to get some Saitama from Uniswap, but it's dealing with the high fees, gas fees, mining fees, the lag of making the transaction. And so it's dealing with a lot of things. So last night I was able to find a way that to get Saitama without the high gas fees and all of that. So I'm barely starting to do the process because it's a whole day process. You know, I researched it last night and today I downloaded the app, which is an app called Bitmart.
Okay.
And yeah, I just downloaded the app, found the coin there, and then later on, I'll probably have to transfer Bitcoin to it. Then from Bitcoin to what is it?
USDT?
USDT, and then from USDT to Saitama. So that's what I'm looking at. And the video that I found on YouTube, the guy probably spent about $20 or less than that making all the transactions possible because he transferred Bitcoin from Cash App all the way to Bitmart, and then
Oh wow.
Switched it to USDT and then got the Saitama. So like you can see, it's a little bit of a process, but yeah, Saitama, the price is lower than Shiba, and so it's barely starting. But here's the thing about Saitama. So I was reading about it, and apparently at the MGM hotel in Vegas on November 13th, they're going to release a wallet and I believe their own platform.
Wait, are you talking about at the crypto summit that's in Vegas today, like this weekend, today?
Probably. When is that? This is November 13th. So yeah, if it's next Saturday.
Okay.
So they're coming out with their, and they're calling it Saitama, the future of finance.
Wow.
So
guys, we're gonna do I think we're gonna have to do a video on the best way to get your hands on some Saitama.
Yeah, they're calling it that, which is interesting. And they're having that summit where they're gonna reveal something big for them, and pretty sure they're gonna be on the market a little after that. Like I wouldn't be surprised about Saitama. I'm trying to find out how was their platform gonna be called. I think I don't recall.
Oh, what they're gonna call the platform for Saitama?
Yeah. I know it's like Saitama wallet, but Saitama platform.
Okay, well, we're gonna do some research for you guys over the weekend. Don't forget, guys, at the bottom in the description, scroll down. I don't even know how much total worth of free giveaways is on there. Tap on those links. Get yourself used to using these apps. The apps are not going anywhere. So continue to get more familiar with these apps. All right. We were talking earlier today about what's the best way to organize all these apps within our devices. And so do whatever you need to do. There's no wrong way to eat a Reese's. There's no wrong way to organize your apps accordingly. However you want to organize it, the best way you can organize it.
There's no right and wrong way. It's just that keeping up with so many platforms right now.
Yeah, it's a little overwhelming. I just wanted to remind the audience that there is no wrong way.
Keep it
as long as you can get to you can remember how much and where your things are. That's what's the most important.
Do your best to keep it organized. Keep all your apps for your crypto in one window. That way, it's a lot easier for you to navigate through it. So definitely. And now that you're playing the single, I do want to invite people to get our music, download our music. I add it to your playlist. Our new single is called Shivaya, and the Shivaya remix and the instrumental is also available. As you can see, Medina is right there bouncing to it. We are in the process of recording our second song together, and we're also looking for performing opportunities as artists. And so yeah, it's on. You can find it on Pandora now, on Spotify, on YouTube. So yeah, I'm super excited. If you guys want to go ahead and add us to your playlist, we would deeply appreciate it. Shivaya, guys.
Yeah, we got the instrumental up on there. We've got the original track that you put together. Well, you and I put together, and then we also have the remix that has a 16 bars of conscious flow, conscious minds rapping, conscious minds lyrics. So
Thank
hopefully
you
y'all
guys.
like
I
that.
will see you guys mañana. Oh, Monday. I'll see you guys Monday. It's Friday.
Yes, we went a little bit over time today, but our audience deserves it. We're reaching epic milestones. Today is episode 26, getting closer. We're past the halfway mark to our 50th episode, so please hang out with us, and we're gonna get there together, guys. And until Monday, please do us a huge favor. Stay conscious, stay getting that crypto, and be blessed, guys. Peace.